What if the reason you can't speak English fluently isn't because you don't know enough grammar?
But because your mouth has never been trained to speak it.
That's a truth most learners never hear.
I'm Olivia. And I'm Michael. Welcome to Clip English.
Today, we're going to talk about one of the most important but overlooked parts of learning English, training your mouth to speak English fluently and naturally.
Many people study for years but still feel nervous or stuck when they try to speak. The problem is not in your brain, it's in your mouth. Speaking is a physical skill, and like any muscle, it needs training.
Here are 5 practical ways to train your mouth to speak English confidently. First, talk to yourself out loud every day. Describe what you're doing. I'm making tea. The water is boiling. This cup feels warm. This simple habit trains your tongue and your confidence.
Second, use the mirror trick. Stand in front of a mirror and speak. Look at your face, your mouth movement, and your expression. This helps you get comfortable seeing yourself speak English.
Third, use the shadowing trick. Listen to native speakers and repeat immediately after them. Copy not just the words, but the rhythm, speed, and intonation. Even 5 minutes a day makes a big difference.
Fourth, use the swap game. Take a simple sentence and keep changing one word at a time. I want to drink coffee, to I want to drink tea, to she wants to drink tea. This trains your brain to be flexible when speaking.
Fifth, build a 10-minute daily routine. Set a timer for 10 minutes every day. During that time, only speak English. No phone, no distractions. This builds self-discipline and real speaking confidence.
I had a student who understood English well but could barely speak. After training his mouth with these 5 steps for just 4 weeks, he told me he finally felt confident speaking with his foreign colleagues.
So here's your challenge. Starting today, train your mouth for 10 minutes every day using at least 2 of these methods. Speak out loud.
Tell us in the comments, which method will you start with first, and how do you currently practice speaking English?
If this video helped you, please like it, subscribe to Clip English, and share it with a friend who wants to speak English fluently and confidently.
In the next video, we're going to talk about the 1% native listening secret. This lesson has helped thousands of learners understand English much faster.
Thank you for watching. Train your mouth, speak with confidence. See you in the next one. Bye.